Welcome back to Budget Fix Garage. Today, we're going to try to fix a windshield leak. So, we're going to yank it out, find and fix the leak, try to put it back in without breaking it. Today, we're teaming up with Brian from Project Time Garage. You'll probably be seeing him a lot in some of my videos. We team up together and flip cars, and he helps me and I help him. Welcome, Brian.
That's right, we're here at Project Time Garage today. Going to put a windshield in this thing. Well, we think we're going to put a windshield in this. Neither one of us have ever done this before. Should be a fun show. Anyway, make sure you like, share, subscribe to his channel. Good stuff coming right here. See ya.
And if you hadn't already, like, share, and subscribe to his channel, Project Time Garage.
So let's get going on this project. Stay tuned. Simple. I don't know what that was.
Hell.
It was huge. Pterodactyl.
It was. It had about 5 wings. Alright. Y'all stay tuned. We'll get this going. Thanks for watching. That sucked.
It's okay. It's still going.
That is a big ass bird.
It's a seagull.
We got hell some bloopers on here.
I know. We're going to use every one of them.
You get them, Bailey. She don't like pterodactyls.
Or not. What dog does, right?
Alright, y'all. We're going to get started on this. Stay tuned. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and we'll be back.
This is the part where the windshield shatters.
In a world where a man with zero experience wields a windshield knife, can he do it? Sure looks like he's doing it. Watch some muscles go. Watch some muscles go.
Hercules, Hercules.
Please. Oh, watch that paint job. That sounded bad. A little crunchy noise.
Busted it.
Did you? We figured it out.
Don't do this at home.
Don't do it at my home either. Call Safe Light Auto Glass in Murfreesboro. Just to catch everybody up on what just happened. Epic fail. Windshield broke. So call Safe Light and they can be here on the 30th. So anyway, we had about a 50-50 shot this was probably going to happen. You know, it's kind of hard to get a windshield out where it doesn't break. So we're going to persevere. Going to go ahead and get the windshield out, address the original problem, which was the pinch weld, we think, because the windshield was leaking and it didn't have any evidence of you know, no evidence of where it was leaking. Couldn't figure out where it was leaking. Probably a pinch weld rusty. So we'll take care of that and move on. Watch Craig break his windshield. When removing your windshield that's already broken, it is extremely important that you hold it over your head. Why am I doing this?
With your windshield. Alright, y'all. This didn't go exactly the way I had planned, but, you know, it is what it is. I blame Brian from Project Time Garage, because he leaned into that camera and said, at this point, the windshield's going to break. So, thanks a lot, Brian. No, but seriously, I do want to thank him for all this help. Found out that it's not a rusted pinch weld. Silicone didn't adhere to the metal good, and there was some dirt and stuff under it, and it was letting water seep in up on the headliner. Called a local glass company, had them come out, put a brand new windshield in. We're good as new. Hopefully that fixes everything. So, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please keep looking for my channel for new videos. Be looking for Tinker. He's my chief mechanic and goes with me everywhere. Kind of lazy right now, if you ask me. But, if you hadn't already, hit the like and subscribe button. And I sure appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.